Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to link your DSers to AliExpress. I know this is a question that a lot of people have been asking, and I'm happy to finally be able to provide some answers. Before we get started, I just want to say that this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and I am not responsible for any losses that you may incur as a result of following the instructions in this video. Now, let's get started. What is DSers? DSers is a dropshipping app that allows you to connect your Shopify store to AliExpress. This means that you can sell products on your Shopify store without having to stock any inventory yourself. DSers is a great tool for dropshippers because it makes it easy to find and list products, track orders, and manage your inventory. How to link your DSers to AliExpress. Step 1. Create a DSers account. If you don't already have a DSers account, you can create one for free. Step 2. Connect your Shopify store to DSers. Once you have created a DSers account, you need to connect it to your Shopify store. Step 3. Find and list products. Once you have connected your Shopify store to DSers, you can start finding and listing products. Step 4. Track orders. Once you have listed products on your Shopify store, you can start tracking orders. Step 5. Manage your inventory. Once you have started tracking orders, you can manage your inventory. Benefits of linking your DSers to AliExpress. There are many benefits to linking your DSers to AliExpress. Some of the benefits include easy to find and list products. DSers makes it easy to find and list products from AliExpress. Track orders. DSers allows you to track orders from AliExpress. Manage your inventory. DSers allows you to manage your inventory. Save money. DSers can help you save money on shipping costs. Increase your sales. DSers can help you increase your sales. Linking your DSers to AliExpress is a great way to start dropshipping. I hope this video has helped you learn more about how to do this. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. 1. See you next time.